Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about the perfect solution for your busy mornings: mason jars for overnight oats. This 4-pack of 16 ounces glass food storage containers is a game changer when it comes to meal prep and on-the-go breakfast. These premium overnight oats jars come in 2 different colors and include airtight lids and stainless steel spoons. Made of high-boron, high-temperature resistant glass, they are durable, BPA and PVC free, and the food-grade plastic lid with silicone ring ensures that your food won't spill, even if the jar is upside down. Not only are they perfect for making overnight oats, mixing chia seeds, yogurt, milk, and fruit, but they can also be used as drinking glasses, meal prep containers, and more. The wide mouth design makes it easy to fill and clean, and the silicone airtight gasket inside the lid provides an excellent seal to keep your food fresh and prevent spills. These oats jars are compact in size, making them easy to pack into a backpack or meal bag. Whether you're prepping breakfast, lunch, or dinner at work, school, or on the go, these jars make it simple to grab and go. And if you're looking for the perfect gift idea for Christmas, Thanksgiving, birthdays, or anniversaries, these overnight oatmeal jars with airtight lids and stainless steel spoons make a great choice for important people in your life. So, if you want to simplify your meal prep and make mornings a breeze, click the link in the description to get your hands on these amazing mason jars for overnight oats. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.